Hello everyone, my name is Azat Mardan. I'm the founder of Node University, and I was one of the early adopters and users and developers on Node.js. This is why I'm really excited about this video, and this video is about the chapter number 17 of my book React Quickly. So React, it's a front-end library, and Node.js, it's a backend. How to put them together and why should you put them together? Great question. Because it's all JavaScript and the combination is just brilliant. React could be easily rendered on the server. It could be easily imported and used on the server in the Node.js environment. And then when you build your servers, your web applications using Node.js and maybe Express, it's very easy. It's very nice to use those React renderings, the React HTML, the HTML which comes from React components, as the server-side HTML. So you have HTML rendered on the server, but also on the browser. Why? Because it's faster. It will show your users some HTML so they can look at it, they can work with it. They're not going to see that spinner image, that Ajaxy GIF loading, and it takes forever. So do the first load, on the first load, render and give them the HTML, the fully functioning HTML, which comes from your React component. Then plug the browser React and let the browser React take it from there. So all the dynamics things, all the browser events, they would be handled by the browser React. We're not getting back to the thick server applications 1990, 1995. No, we're not going there, but we are going to the server-side rendering for the first page load because we want the users to see something fully formed, fully functioning, beautiful, and also for the SEO purposes, for the search engine optimization purposes. You want to have that fully formed HTML. Otherwise, the Google, the Bing, the other search engines, the DuckDuckGo, they won't be able to see that. They will be seeing some poorly formed application, and that would be bad for your application, for your website. You don't want to have that. So the whole concept, when you combine Node, React, when you do those type of cool things, it's called universal JavaScript. Another name, isomorphic. So universal JavaScript or isomorphic JavaScript. You can also call it full stack. Full stack because this is front end, this is back end. You merge them, it's a full stack. Okay. So how to set up Webpack, how to render server-side, how to pass the data, because you need to have the same data on the front end and on the back end. So I'm showing you all of that on a project, on the examples. I'm showing you how to do that, how to use Webpack, of course. We're going to use Webpack for JSX. We're going to use Express, and we do the server-side rendering. We do the browser React. So all that is in this chapter, the universal JavaScript. This is the best practice. A lot of companies, you can do your research, Twitter, some other companies, Amazon, they start doing this first time load on the server. They would start generating that HTML on the server. They saw a dramatic increase in the traffic because people don't like to wait. So use something similar, especially if you need SEO. Use something similar and your users will be happy. Especially it's so easy with Node.js. It just they play so nicely together. There is no reason to pick anything else like Java or PHP. There's no reason to pick that backend technology if you're using React. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in a few last videos which are dedicated to the introductions to the chapters of my book React Quickly.